Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI, and also DAX, and also SQL Server integration services. Okay. So now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So far I did not load any data. So now we'll try to import data and we'll try to see how the relationships are need to establish between the dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll try to explore all possible options that are available in the model tab. So just click on Excel button to import data. So now I'm trying to import the source data file. So it's opening. Now what are the tables I want to import? I'm just selecting here, so just click on OK. Even you can preview the data before loading, so whether you want to load or not, it's like a preview. So you can see that some sample data. For example, in case a table contain more number of rows, we can see some limited number of rows. We can confirm that, so we can able to load this table or not. So it's kind of a pre-check before loading data into the Power BI desktop. So for now I'm just loading all the tables into this desktop. Just click on load. So it will take some seconds, 30-40 seconds to load, process all the tables into this desktop. So we'll wait for that. So it's processing and now it's loading. Still it's loading. So creating connection in the model. Okay, loading data to the model. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, it's almost close to final stage. Yes, so data has been loaded successfully in Power BI desktop. Now you can see that it's a category, customer, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, subcategory. So these are the tables I have loaded from the Excel. So we'll try to understand by going to the model. So if you look at here, so already there are relationships are established between the dimension tables and fact tables, but I did not mention while loading so data to this desktop. I did not mention anywhere like so the relation between this table to this table I did not specify, but how it is detecting automatic relationship where that our options are available, we'll try to see that. So just click on file, so options and settings, options. So it's open now properties window here. So go to the data load. Now we can see that there is a relationship. So here we can see that import relationship from data source on first load, and also auto detect new relationship after data is loaded. So it means that whenever the data has been loaded into this Power BI desktop, so automatically it will detect the relationship if it is existing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will try to uncheck these two options, and again, so just click on OK. Again I will try to reload the same data and we will try to see what will happen. Okay, so after clicking that option, if I load, automatically it's detecting the relationship. In case if I uncheck these two options, so what will happen if I reload the same data once again? For timing, I'm trying to delete this all these tables and okay, so just delete from model, click delete. Again I will try to load the same data from the Excel file. We'll see what will happen if I do the same like that. So again I'm checking all the tables that are available within that Excel file. Okay, so just click on load. So now it's processing queries. After that it has to load. It will take 30-14 seconds to load all the things. Now this time it's very fast. You know why? Because we are unchecking relationship tab, auto detect, and other different options. That is the reason it's taking little fast compared to the previous data load option. See, somewhat little faster compared to the previous one. Now we can see that all the tables has been loaded into the Power BI desktop. Now I will check what is there in the model tab. Go to the model. Now we can see that there is no kind of relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables, but in last time so we have seen that auto detect relationship, but this time there is no kind of relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So because we did not select any kind of option in the relationship tab. Okay, now we'll try to do the manually how to create the relationship. We'll try to see that. So for that, just click on the manage relationship option. Now we can see that so there are two options, new, auto detect. For example, if I click on auto detect, automatically whatever the relationship that are exist between these two tables, auto detect automatically. So I'm just doing that. So click on auto detect. So now it is detecting. So okay, close. So it is showing there are 6 so relationships are automatically detected. So from the customer and geography, sales territory, internet sales, customer, internet sales, product, internet sales, sales territory. So it's automatically detected, but we don't want that. So okay, so for that I'm just deleting one more time. So I want to create manually. So just delete. So I'm deleting all the relationships that are created by the auto detect option. Now from the scratch I'm trying to create the relationship. So I'm just clicking on new. So now we can see that so create relationship, select tables and columns that are, so it is asking us so what are the tables and with related columns we need to select to establish the relationship between two tables. For example, here I'm selecting so internet sales and also customer. Okay, so now we can need to identify so customer key is there, and also here also customer key is there. So here internet sales table, this is the customer table. If you look at here cardinality, so I'm just using screen marker. We'll try to see that. So here cardinality is many to one. So it means that so this table, whatever the internet sales table is many sides and this customer table is one side. So it means that in the internet sales table, so same customer has repeating multiple times. Okay, but in this customer table, so each customer has a unique row. Okay, each customer has a unique row, so there are no duplicates in the customer table. When it comes to internet sales table, there are duplicates. So that is reason we can able to see the cardinality is many to one. Even you can see that star colon 1. Okay, so that is reason it's many to one. Okay, so I'm just okay, so I'm going to the mouse back. Okay, so it's many to one. So make this relationship active, and also we can see that what is the cross filter direction. It's a single direction only. Okay, so we'll try to understand so what kind of options that are available in the cross filter direction. So what do you mean by single, what do you mean by both? Okay, for timing I'm trying to keep it a single only, so I'm just clicking on okay. So one relationship we have created manually between the internet sales and a customer table. Again I'm trying to create one more. internet sales, product table. So I'm selecting product key. So cardinality is many to one, and cross filter direction is single. So make this relationship active. Just click OK. So, and also I'm trying to create other relationships also. Internet sales. So here sales territory. Okay, territory key as well as this is it's many to one, cross filter direction is single. Click OK. So remaining also will try to do that. So product subcategory. So here subcategory key, here subcategory. Just click OK. So remaining is subcategory key to category key. So okay, many to one. Just click OK. And another one is so geography customer. Customer geography key one too many and single direction. Okay, I think we have created all the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll try to click and close. Now we can see that all the relationships has been created successfully. So we will try to arrange it properly so that we can visibly clearly. So product, customer, geography, so sales territory and category. So okay, now you can see. Now you can see that. So from the internet sales table, so product from the product table to subcategory, and from the subcategory to so okay, from the category to subcategory, subcategory to product, product to so internet sales. Okay, now we need to understand what it is. Okay, so everywhere it's like a single direction. What do you mean by that? Okay, so while creating the relationship, I have spoken about cross filter direction is single. So what are the relationships so far? I have created all are single cross filter direction only. It means that so the filter propagation flowing from the single direction only. So it means that if you notice here, from the category to subcategory, and from the subcategory to product, from the product to internet sales only. Okay, the filter propagation flowing from the category to subcategory, subcategory to product, product to internet sales only. But it's not filtering from the internet sales to product, product to subcategory, and it's not applicable because the cross filter direction is single only. Okay, in case if you want to enable cross filter direction both means, again we need to modify the relationship. For that we need to do, so I'm going to the mouse again. So I'm just clicking and double click on that. Again I'm trying to change the cross filter direction both. So whenever I change the cross filter direction both means, now we can see that so double arrow. So it means that from the product to the internet sales as well as internet sales to the product. So bi-directional relationship it will work, but earlier it's unidirectional only, it's not bi-directional. But this time whenever I change the cross filter direction is both, automatically the filter propagation flowing from the product to internet sales and internet sales to product. So likewise we can enable the so cross filter direction, it's like a single or bi-directional. So it's up to the requirement, but most of the cases we can achieve the this kind of bi-directional relationship by using DAX functions also. For example, if enable means it will applicable whole table, but so in case if you got a requirement, you can enable by using single DAX function, that is cross filter. So we'll try to explore that options also. But so as for today's demo, I'm trying to explain the possible options that are available. So I think we have covered all the options that are available in the relationship. So I think, let me check, is there any pending auto detect. Even you can edit here also. For example, new means creating the new relationship, auto detect means automatically it will auto detect the relationship if it is existing. So edit means if you want to do any changes, just click on edit and do the changes. For example, I'm doing this change, and if you want to delete, we can delete it also. Okay, so like that we can enable the, so we can create the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.